It's not just any old circle theorems question, it's a proof question, which we hate. So, it's a 3-mark question, which means we're going to have to say 3 things. Only thing we're told is that this angle here is y, and that these 2 things, this triangle here, is an isosceles triangle. That's what those little dashes mean. Okay, so it says prove that CAB is 180 minus y. CAB is this angle up here. We're trying to show eventually that that angle is 180 minus y. It's really dangerous to write that in because it makes you tempted to want to use that that's true, and we can't use that that's true. We're trying to show that that's true. So I'm going to get rid of that, but we're hoping to find this angle here and hoping to be able to write that it's 180 minus y. So what can we fill in? Well, we can fill in this angle. These 2 angles together add up to 180. So this angle can be called 180 minus y. So that's what I'm going to write down first. And because it's a proof, we have to do it really like structured. So I'm going to write that BTS equals 180 minus y. And I'm going to give a reason, because it says give a reason for any angles that you write down. And the reason is because angles on a straight line add to 180. Angles on CTS add to 180. So now that I know that angle, what else can I fill in? Well, I can fill in this angle, because this is an isosceles triangle. So because BTC, that should have been, BTC is 180 minus y, so is BCT. But I have to give a reason, and my reason is isosceles triangles. Yeah, isosceles triangles. So because I've written down what that is, I'm going to fill that in on my diagram. Okay, now I've written 2 things. I've got 2 angles on here, so we should now somehow be able to say what this angle is. And actually we can. And there's 2 ways that we can do it. The quick way is the harder way, but I'm going to show it you anyway. And that is that this angle is equal to this angle because of the alternate segment theorem. So the next thing I'm going to write down is that CAB equals BCT because of the alternate segment theorem. And the alternate segment theorem The alternate segment theorem says if you've got an angle in one segment, and this is a segment here, that the angle in this segment is equal to the angle in the other segment. So this is the other segment, and the angle that's in this segment is this one up here. It's the only other angle in this area here. So those 2 angles there and there are equal to each other. And we've just written down what BCT is. We've said that BCT is 180 minus y. So that means, therefore, CAB equals 180 minus y. So that's it.